First pull. Oh, there's a cop. There's a cop.
Fucking pull it, dog.
Oh shit! God damn! Oh shit! Chill. What's up, boy?
What's up, bitch?
What are we doing today? No speaking less or what?
Don't speak Spanish. Which one's yours?
The green one's yours. Alright, boys. We're gonna install Platinum 14K. It's brand new. Performance air intake. It's an increase of like 13 horsepower. Not that much. Obviously, with the tune, it's something different. But he's got a 6-cylinder. So right now, we're gonna take off this air box. We're gonna take off the air vents that are right here. We're gonna install that air intake, so we're gonna put you guys to it. Alright guys, first things first, whenever you're working on your car, always remove the negative terminal to prevent your computer or yourself from getting damaged. You don't want to also get your computer, because a computer of a car is pretty expensive and you don't want to fry that. So you got to find the right size, the right socket, and what he's going to do right now is remove the negative terminal, and then we're going to start working. Alright guys, you gotta locate, there's a bolt back behind the airbox. We already disconnected the sensor here and the resonator tubing hose. You got it? Make sure you don't let the bolt fall. That bolt falls, it's gone forever. I'm not supposed to get it. I'll get it for you then. Moving the screw right here to take off the airbox, the OEM airbox. So far, how has the removing been? Easy or?
Easy.
Pretty easy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Recording now? Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm removing the sensor. I'm gonna place it on the new housing. That's this tube right here. So this one is going to go like this. Boy, if you don't... And then you just tighten this down. I cut my nails short right now, and I'm having that sting that's underneath the freaking skin, dude. This shit burns. Alright, there's the sensor. Alright guys, we installed the mount for the housing. Now we're gonna install the heat shield. First you gotta put this trim onto it. So what he's gonna do, he's gonna put it on and cut what he has to do. Alright, so right now we're installing this what is this called? Mounting point for the air box. So we can install the air box itself. This one's gonna be tough because I don't know where I'm gonna put the socket so it doesn't spin. I guess I'm just gonna have to tie it with my hands. This is gonna just be tied up the hand because I can't reach underneath. So I just installed the heat shield, tightening up the bolts for it. Right here. Alright, heat shield's done. Now we gotta do the rest of the parts. Alright, Jairo's gonna install the hose clamps. We already installed the tubing for the throttle body. So that one you might have to loosen up so you can press it all the way in. It's like this is like let me say like a freaking
Hold that. No more.
I'll do it.
No, that's for real.
Alright, the gentleman Jairo is tightening it up now. These tubings have numbers on them, so you gotta make sure if you do install these, you have to make sure you've got the right size because it does have numbers on it. You tighten it all the way?
Yeah.
Alright then. Alright, there we go. Tightening it down. make sure you tighten them really good. You don't want these to get loose on you, and make sure the belt is where you want it to be.
Like right here, right?
Yeah, where it's going to be holding on to it. To prevent it from slipping. We're installing the silicone hose for the tubing for the filter. So this one's installed. Now we gotta put this on. Whoa, that's the thing. How's that one gonna go? So gotta loosen it. So the air filter is in. Sorry if we didn't install everything. We're in a hurry because I have to go pick up my car. Battery terminals placed back. The only problem with this, so real quick I'm gonna go through it, is we put the clamps. It's pretty much easy, very easy. We're missing a bolt that goes on the bottom. That's like right, let's see if you can see. It's like somewhere right there. We didn't connect that bolt, but it looks very firm. But there's this hose that's connected to, I think it's the transmission. And it's not connected to anything. That's the part that confuses. Comment what it is. You guys probably gonna be like, this guy's an idiot, but honestly, I don't even know what it is. It's just a hose that's chilling. I think it's a vacuum for the transmission. But yeah, comment what it's for, because it doesn't look like we disconnected it from anything. That's the part that confuses me. So let me know, you guys. So we're done. Big old head in the way. We're done with that. Now we're gonna turn on the car to see how it is. All right, guys, moment of truth. Everything's flashing since we disconnected the battery. So turn on the car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Shut up.
You're gonna turn it on?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah. Woo! Little baby GTR. Anything flashing? Is it telling you anything?
Yeah.
What?
This yellow one.
Emergency? Warning?
All the 2 doors are open. Can you close that one?
Alright guys, so everything went away. The only thing that's a seatbelt, because this nigga doesn't know how to put a seatbelt. Tire pressure, because this guy does not have sensors on his tires. But everything else seems good. We're going to do a little bit of revs.
Is that right?
Hold on. We're going to do a little bit of revs to see how it is. Let me first check. Alright, do a little bit of revs. Alright, first test drive with the new K&N Air Intake. While we go pick up the car, hopefully we don't get stuck anywhere. Got the mask because of coronavirus. You're gonna get me fucking demonetized, bro, with this music. Alright, bro. I'll catch you guys and give you guys some little clips of how it sounds, alright? First pull. First pull. Oh, there's a cop, there's a cop. Oh, there's a cop. Yo, that dude's literally slow.
Oh, dude.
Is he doing a U-turn?
He stopped someone.
He stopped someone? Shit. Yo. Fucking pull it, dog. Oh, shit, dude. That shit felt good. He's gonna lose control. God damn. Oh shit, chill. Damn, bro. Damn. So it's a new day. I was recording some runs with Jairo in his with his new air intake, and when we got to the shop, turned out nobody was there. I was kind of upset because they did not call me or did not tell me anything. They said they did, but I didn't receive no calls telling me that they're gonna be delayed. So I got over there and nobody was there, so I was kind of like, you know, down, because I was like, damn, a night without my car. And I was like excited because I want to do a couple pulls with him at night so we could see how it sounds when he's driving, you know, side by side. But I'm gonna show you guys my new exhaust. I don't have the buttons installed yet. I don't have the button installed that opens and closes the valve. Still need I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But as of now, I'm gonna show you guys a quick some quick rolls of my new exhaust and how it is. Basically, it's two 8-inch resonators in the back and then one resonator in the middle of my Y pipe that's adjustable controller. So yeah, I'm gonna do a couple pulls so you guys can hear how it sounds. Always gotta have traction control off whenever I'm doing some pulls. Right there. Gotta keep traction control off. Hopefully there's no freaking cops out here. New tips, fill up the whole gap. Fucking huge, look at that. You guys want to look underneath? There's the resonators. So yeah, real quick, for those that made it this far, in the comment section, comment meth. If you guys look right here, Snow Performance Water Methanol Experts. So I'm getting a meth tune done soon for the car. It's gonna make 410 wheel horsepower with the upgraded turbo. But guys, look at my fucking bad luck. Back to back to back. This is something new. Big old chunk missing. I have it in my on my dash. Fucking broken piece there. Literally on the way home, the same way I always go. Like right entering my neighborhood, there's a dip, and for some reason this time it got caught and it ripped a chunk out. But yeah, guys, comment meth if you guys made it this far. It's your boy Frankie, or Dark Rose, dark.rse, whatever you guys want to say. But I'll catch you guys in the next video, alright? Peace.
Bye.